About a year ago, my mother and I decided to share her secret hair recipe that has been in our family for almost 30 years with the rest of the world. I still remember our first batch we made in our kitchen at home, and how nervous we were about how the world would receive a product with no labels, a basic container, and nothing more than a promise that this secret product works. After the first announcement, a few people took a chance on us, and without asking, the reviews started pouring in. This gave us the confidence to do more, and soon, people were talking about our secret hair recipe that actually worked. We finally made labels for our products, but people seemed more interested in what was in the product than what it looked like. A year later, with your support, patronage, testimonials, and suggestions, we've been able to grow our small mother-daughter business from the kitchen where it all started. We may have changed a little and added something new, but our commitment to giving you the best natural hair products will always remain the same.
Yeah, baby, for Kinky Matters. And you're kinky. It's not kinky, it's kinky. Kinky Matters.
So today, from us here at Kinky Matters on our anniversary, we say a big thank you for taking a chance on us and trusting us with your hair. We are here 1 year after, and we will be for many more because of you. Remember, Kinky Matters because you matter.